restaurant for our breakfast. Then we're going to Noah's Ark later. See ya! Hello! What do you want to eat?
I think we need rice because we're gonna do a lot of walking again.
Okay, and
yeah. You want rice? Long?
oh, drinks again. Not that one first. Eat muna tayo. We're done eating. Busog na. We're now headed to the Noah's Ark. It's raining again, but not too strong. Just drizzle. They have multiple bus stops here. Ours doesn't have a waiting shed. We're here in Noah's Ark. Let's go. Hello. Yay. This is the Noah's Ark. We're now going to the Art Garden. Yeah. So this is the Noah's Ark restaurant. With the kids can play also. Yeah, it's Noah's kitchen. I'm going to the lift. Okay. So where are we now?
We are in the lower ground, and then we're going to go up to the ground floor. We have here the south wing and the north wing. There's Ark Expo.
Okay, let's go. The days of Noah. Yes, come on, yes. Say yes. We're now entering Noah's workshop. The wood of the ark was super strong. Is it extinct? So, cedar, resin, teak, and rosewood. Those are the samples. Anatomy of the ark.
You can easily breathe. So that the inside is not
Ventilation up there. explore the myths of animals. The Ark and the Flood. You can see a lot of toys here, which have animals, arcs worldwide. Space rocket. Boing.
It's done? The lower part, so you can see there's words there. The lower part talaga yung long. Yan.
Move. Left, move right, left, right. Oh no. This looks like fun. Oh, a lot of games for kids and kid at heart. Treasure house and planet. So, which one? Okay, treasure house. Let's go. Let's glow. That's it. Languages. Library. Welcome to the world of languages. Being human. Oh, this is cute. Okay. The universe and our Earth. Oh, your favorite? Next stop is 3D Fun. What are you trying to do? Oh, a house. Whoa, wow. Wow. It's really an e-planet. Look. Wow. Oh. Uy, oh, here, oh. Pick up the trash. There, yay! Oh, snowman. Next. Oh, it's like in Singapore. Next. Oh. Sketch your future. Now she's taking her second art.
What color, ma'am?
Are you done with your artwork? Wow, let's go scan it.
You press the green?
Okay, it's done. Get it. There, it's flying. We're now done with our activities inside. We're going to the beach line now to have a photo of the art. Hello, let's go. There you go. Thank you, Noah's Ark. We're done. Very light drizzle and enjoyed our stay in Noah's Ark. We had fun. Now it's time to go to Mongkok. Let's go. Going now to Mongkok via 2:30 hour bus. Now here at Kowloon bus terminus. We're still waiting for the this to start so that we can go to Mongkok. 2:30. Let's go. So pretty. We're now here in Mongkok. Let's see what it has to offer. Okay, so we're going to buy this one. Okay. Oh. Yummy? Yummy? So we found Jollibee. Yeah. Hi. Wow, so tall. Cafe de Coral. Time to eat. We're now at Ladies Market. Let's go. Hey, Klang. $10 for one. Oh, here. Some toys. Graph magnets, bags, Chinese charms. So we were able to buy keychains from Disney here at Ladies Market. We from 120 per set. We bought 3 sets for $160. So it's a good deal.
Maybe let's go.
Finally, Sneaker Street. Let's go. Alright, there's a lot of New Balances here. Yeah. I like this one. It's 1199. Nope. Oh, here's the famous one. What? 719. Nubuck. Ano yung Nubuck? I like this. Actually, New Balances are comfortable, but I just don't like their logo. You see, it's an international brand, but the logo itself is not too nice. It's very basic, but I'd like to have some fuels. It's 1699, also very expensive. Under Armour, Nike, Puma. Tom Jones na. KFC.
Wow, yummy.
Let's go. Hi. Eating time. Okay. My order is kind of big. Don't look. Time to go home. We're done. Done for the day, and we're gonna prepare stuff for tomorrow. So we're heading to Disneyland. Yay!